UNESCO, through its International Commission on Education for 21st Century, developed a framework for lifelong learning and defined its 4 pillars as follows: learning to know, learning to do, learning to live together, and learning to be. The offer of the courses here on the HCBC platform is situated within Learning to Do and tries to improve work-related skills. These skills can improve economic performance and social inclusion through increasing job prospects and career opportunities for everyone, and improve competitiveness of a company or even of an entire country. This category of adult lifelong learning includes all types of learning: formal, not formal, and informal. It is about learning how to do, how to make a business plan, how to improve your content marketing with videos, make a website in WordPress, plan a successful event, a cross-media campaign, etc., etc. Improve everyone's chances on the job market. Already before the pandemic, it has been evident that lifelong learning is going to be vital in the future. The COVID only accelerated the possibilities of the online format, and here we are, with both video courses and with live online courses through Zoom or individual consulting for freelancers and small businesses. So I encourage you to explore the web, see the offer of different courses, and choose the format that suits you best: online video, online live, or online consulting. The team and I are looking forward to seeing you soon in one of the upcoming courses.